back to my channel. Alright guys, so welcome back. Hopefully the camera is on us both. Alright, so we have with us today April, my friend. And of course, someone who didn't want to stay away from the video. And today we will be trying some Mexican snacks and sweets. Clap, clap, clap. Right, so we have no idea how they taste, so we have like water with us just in case. So let's see. Oh Lord.
Oh gosh, Monica. No.
Alright, so it says enjoy the best candy.
This look.
Post to TikTok wherever with the Mexican flag and the map. You guys can see it.
Yeah. But it's a lot though.
Yeah, it's actually a good amount of stuff. All looking like Mexican colors.
For real.
Oh jeez.
Oh, baby.
So the, what's that, baby?
This.
Not biscuit. These are
Pumpkin
seeds with salt.
Yeah, very different.
I don't normally like pumpkin seeds, do you?
No, never.
Well, let's try this.
We need a scissors or something.
Okay.
Monica, you have a lot of stuff in this. What is this? Hopefully I've had something before from this bag.
Alright, so let's see. This also does.
Pumpkin seeds. This should be good. It's
I think
Mexico.
it says pumpkin. That's not English. I don't like pumpkin seed, do you know?
Why? Why?
It don't taste bad.
Good.
I mean, it don't taste good, but it don't taste
No
bad.
man, it's good. It tastes good.
Well, I don't normally like pumpkin seed outside of this. Alright, so what's this? I wish I could tell you, baby.
It's cold.
Oh.
Cold.
Yeah, so this is
Not
this
bad.
is not bad, but it's not my thing because I don't like pumpkin seed.
And it's salty.
It's a little salt. Right. Good find this still enough.
Spicy mango candy.
This cannot taste nice.
Spicy mango candy.
You remember that
Oh
sweet
God.
thing?
I feel
remember
like
the
that going to
sweet
have a weird taste.
I don't know what this is. Really and truly. It says spicy mango, but like I don't even know if I want to taste this. Should I get one next spoon?
And what is this? Burrito.
All
pina
these
colada,
things have on a lot of
Spices.
Yeah. Hold up. I wonder if this going to taste like something. This looks interesting.
Daddy.
Jennifer, this looks interesting.
What's that?
What is Duros Locos Mexicanos? I have no idea. Some chili and lemon something.
Happy snacks. Look like potato chips.
Yeah, like spicy potato chips.
What we had a while ago. This thing.
Yeah, not very.
Attractive thing.
Yeah.
I have to put it in the fridge so it's not concealed. You want one of those? You remember that thing we used to eat?
What is that?
You don't know that sweetie? I don't know if it's sweetie. If anybody remembers what the name of this thing is.
It looked like a stone.
No, it was usually. Is it? Tessa, you don't know it?
No.
I don't remember the name of it. It's shower.
Well, for this don't taste good.
It's a snack from a long time. I don't remember the name of it. Never say I liked it. It's sour.
Salty.
I don't even know what the flavor is.
Bless you. This don't taste good. I wonder if we must eat the two of them
Taste
together.
that. I'm assuming, but that actually don't taste bad.
Hey. Alright.
This actually don't taste so bad.
This actually tastes good. This
That's what I'm
have a familiar taste.
I think they're supposed to go together, but
It have a
this
familiar
actually tastes
taste.
nice by itself.
It
Yeah.
tastes good really.
It's spicy
Yeah.
though. It actually has a spicy taste.
Spicy?
You don't taste like a pepper after?
It tastes really good though. It tastes like something that we used to out here.
It tastes spicy to me though. I wonder if this box is like a mango
Like
theme.
it have a tambourine kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Have a vibe.
Mango, spicy mango. No. I think most of the stuff is tamarind like.
But this one,
So this
sure,
is not bad.
This can't eat.
So that can't eat.
Mm-mm.
Alright, so this can eat. That not so much. I'm just putting.
Mm-hmm.
This.
Whew.
This is chili mango
I
tamarind.
feel the pepper now.
You feel it at all? This is chili mango. I feel like there's pepper and everything. Is it you eating?
Mm-mm.
What are you sucking?
Hold up. Then it's when Riri take up this food.
Spicy, mommy.
She eats it,
Alright,
y'all.
Alright, so this is chili mango tamarind. Oh my gosh.
That should be good.
Made in USA, mangoes from Thailand.
That should be good.
Peanut, soy, no allergies.
Yeah, that should be
What I
good.
call it, moquette? Yeah, you can talk Spanish. I shall look up this
Mo-
spoon too.
Remember that word.
You can try first.
Oh Lord. Okay, so this is a little bit tough.
Yeah, they were
And
great.
this is what?
Chili mango tamarind.
This have a juju kind of texture.
Oh,
It tastes,
This big.
yeah, I can taste it spicy. On it, you taste it spicy?
I taste the spices.
But not
It's really
the,
spicy, but
a little mango.
it don't taste like mango. It tastes like.
Mommy.
No,
I don't think I like this.
it don't taste like tamarind either. No,
It's spicy, mommy.
spicy.
Very hot.
Spicy.
Apparently, everything in Mexico comes with spices. Yeah, it's super spicy. Not- This not so fun. So far, still only one thing I see that tastes okay. What next, April?
This one.
You could like.
Yay!
Let's hope it actually tastes nice. What you say it was?
That is
Chili and lemon.
lemon. Yeah. It's have a regular chips kind of look.
Since you have been dying for it to open, you go first.
Ooh!
We
This
open
one
that
first.
one.
This one first.
Why are all of them are chili? You can't eat them.
Yeah, this is actually. Okay,
So-
at first, but afterwards, oh gosh, it's just an awful
Really?
taste afterwards. Like, I taste vinegar. Vinegar in it?
It tastes like pork rinds.
It not taste good.
It tastes like, you know, pork rinds?
Mm-mm.
It tastes like pork rinds with chili and lemon on it.
It not taste good. You
Citric
like
acid
it?
and taste at the end. I don't like it, but it's alright. Because I eat pork rinds, so it tastes like pork rinds.
This is awful, really. I'm not
It
good.
is pork rinds with spices.
Oh,
But those are pork rinds.
no, so.
It's actually spicy though.
Oh my god.
She has been dying for it to be open.
Mm.
It tastes like. This is not so bad, but if you like,
Next.
if you like vinegar chips, you might like
You.
this. You might just
The
like
vinegar
it.
in that was so strong.
So Araya has the next item to open.
Oh gosh, really?
Is this your one open? Like, I know I'm not going to maybe really like this because it's peanuts. You like pralines? Pralines. So let's show them. It looks like peanut with, I don't know what it's been.
With red food coloring.
Yeah. See, alright, I have to cook everything.
No, really spicy.
Hot, mommy. Hot.
Fish.
Hot.
Fish.
We'll try this at the same time.
Oh gosh, wonderful. Why? You go first, man.
No, because
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. Mm,
This is good.
that's good.
This is good. It
It's
has a
good.
sweet taste, like really sweet. This is nice. You
It's
can
almost
taste it
like
now.
chocolate covered peanuts.
Well, it isn't chocolate. But I know Araya can eat this one. Let me give you a piece, mommy. Because you like them something else.
It actually tastes good.
Some.
Nice.
Yeah, that's why you've been trying to open.
They have Doritos.
Mexican style.
Ooh.
Let's try that. Oh,
Well, it's
she
already
opened
open.
that,
All right, Riri, let's go.
so we don't know what this is. Show it up. That's like the Mexican flag colors.
Colors. Green,
Right?
white,
They look
red.
like grater cake.
Mm-hmm.
But it don't taste like it. What is it?
Yeah, it actually tastes like grater cake.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So all the colors,
It tastes really good, like coconut.
but that's the white.
I probably need one of these to carry home. Is that much I have in there too? Yeah.
You can taste the red. Tastes like grater cake, yeah.
Yeah, man.
All of it tastes the same.
Mhm.
Just the coloring.
This is
So
like
this is good, guys, because this is like grater cake.
yeah.
This is really nice.
Mm.
So this is actually what it looked like.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna try the Doritos.
Mm-hmm.
What is it with Mexican? This chili lemon flavor.
Yeah, for real. Like most of the
Because
stuff
this
have chili lemon
Right.
or chili.
I wonder why they say those chili lemon shots. Dynamita shots.
Ooh.
So I feel like somehow it's probably spicy too. No?
Spicy.
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 Oh.
Doritos. I like Doritos, so let's keep this.
Mm. No, really.
You know what, mommy? It don't taste bad. I like this.
It
This is
tastes
nice.
it tastes Mexican.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It actually tastes good.
This
The
one tastes
lemon.
pepper. That's what I'm saying. It tastes nice, man. It's peppery, but don't eat this, mommy.
It's almost like
Doritos.
no. It tastes like Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
I
Fruit
put
Loops.
It don't taste like Fruit Loops to me. It tastes like Doritos to me with pepper. It tastes like the spicy Doritos.
Very spicy.
You want this one? Alright, let me give you a piece of it. They can't eat this. Bite it. Bite. I said, What next? You pick it.
Alright, let's see what we have here. This is lemon. Oh, this is pina colada burrito. Yeah, this is
I
not
don't
bad.
see that looking like it.
Really?
One,
Oh gosh, them even have but Cheetos.
and that looks spicy too.
Hold up. But money for this box is so exciting. You have so much stuff.
Oh,
Oh, this look good.
that looks like a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, which makes it
Which
better.
makes it good for some people.
That's big.
For some people, right, baby?
Emma.
You like it? You want to try
What's
it?
inside of this?
Oh, it's like a
Burrito?
actual burrito. Ooh!
I don't think I want to zoom in on this because this looks so like disturbing.
Oh. We can change our minds. We can make it stay.
What is Americo?
That is pineapple something.
I don't know. Can you find out on the box?
I don't know.
Alright, take it.
Amer something is yellow in Spanish.
Sing your song.
Amaretto.
That's Amarillo.
Oh, for me.
What if I actually know Spanish?
No, you taste it first. It just looks spicy.
It tastes nice.
Motherfucker.
It don't taste nice. It tastes like an old time snack we had growing up, where it was just this strip. And you know it?
It tastes like the screw. It's almost
sweet
like
taste.
this. Where is it?
I know what you're talking.
It's in the box, you know.
One in it?
Yeah.
I think I know what you're talking.
You twist
It's
it.
something you twist up and
See there.
oh.
So you like
I
to
think all
turn
the
it?
stuff tastes the same.
Yeah.
The spices.
Kind of similar.
Like I think the inside tastes nice, but I don't like the outside.
I wouldn't eat that, like one of that.
I wouldn't even eat anymore. So far, I think my favorite thing is the Doritos.
and this one because it's
Burrito cake.
Jamaican and this one
Filipino.
not this one not bad.
Yeah, but oh, I did.
Not really.
The mango?
Not really.
Really?
Yeah.
What else? Oh, you want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
This is like chocolatey.
So this is Gancito.
I think this is the same thing that we just had. Salted apricot.
Oh yeah?
We have one that just looks like.
Oh yeah.
What's that you have? Yeah. Since you insist.
Oh.
Oh, this look like. This cake.
Yes. Like a fudge. Alright, you do one in case it don't taste good.
Which I'm feeling like it might not since
It
it's
might
chocolate.
taste good. Chocolate is so good.
But let's see. Wait, name?
With everything. Chocolate
Gancito.
filled fruit
Snack.
is what that?
Filled
Filled
snack
snack cake.
Alright, so I might have a biased opinion on this because I don't like chocolate.
Like how is that possible, Monica? This just
What's
looks so
inside?
good.
Inside doesn't look so bad. Can I show you?
Really, this looks good.
Here it is, guys, if it's clear enough, hopefully.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate cake,
Yeah. The inside is kind of,
like cake.
but it's not sweet. So
The
the
chocolate
chocolate
is
gives the sugar. This
And
is
whatever
good.
in it.
I'd eat this one. This is good. Mm.
I would take off the chocolate.
Bravissimo.
Ah,
I can get this one.
you can have this one too.
This is good.
So as you guys know, I'm not a fan of chocolate. You want to taste it, mommy? Cheers. It is. You like it?
Mmm. Yummy.
Mommy.
Yes, this is good.
She's saying yummy, but her face wasn't saying yummy. Tastes nice, mommy? Tastes nice? Mm-mm.
This is good. Alright, next.
If you like chocolate, that's good. If you don't,
Still good.
I think this tastes like the first snack. You still want to try it?
Not really.
Yeah, I'm not feeling this one. I'm thinking it's similar to the salty one we had before. It's a
Yeah.
salted apricot.
Some.
Alright,
Run
so alright guys, so now we're gonna try the Cheetos.
Ooh.
You can have that. I don't want to taste that because it's chocolate. So let's take a look at the Cheetos before the phone alarms. So the Cheetos,
Yeah.
I
That
don't know
looks-
what color is this.
It's orange with brown.
It tastes nice,
Yeah.
but it's the same thing, it's spicy.
Yeah.
This
Mexicans
is nice.
love spice.
And I love spice, so
It have a bacon aftertaste.
I like this.
Mm-hmm.
Jamaica should sell this flavor.
Yeah. It have a nice bacon aftertaste. What's this?
You can have
Big.
Pepino.
I picked that.
Pepino.
Pepino look like a pickle.
Peanut.
Pepino
Pepino.
looks like a pickle,
Oh,
so I
not-
feel like this might be some.
Not
Look on
interested.
it. You see?
I hate pickles. You taste it.
Alright, I feel like having them.
That.
Alright guys, so just to show what else is in here. What's this?
That's
Enchiladas, mango. I don't know
Yeah.
if it's bubble gum. It looks like like you know the big bubble gum?
yeah.
But I'm not sure. Don't think we're gonna test these now, but April can always test if you want.
And you get two of some things.
Yeah, and that
three.
thing you get like I think it's
Four.
gum though. It's mango flavor. Salsagetti.
Oh.
Watermelon flavor. So this
Well, that should be
this
good.
let's try this one, yeah?
That
But I
should be
feel
good.
like it's going to be spicy.
Alright, let's hurry up. It looks like a spaghetti.
Oh, there's
noodle.
something in there. Wait. There's something in there. Is it
It
like a
tastes like that sweet name we were eating in high school.
Twister?
It's
Oh.
same one. Tastes good.
Twizzler? Yeah.
Really. I like
I think I'll taste that last. I love pickles.
Yeah, I don't. And then
I don't know why
everything
it's
chili.
so good. these don't taste nice. I have to go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Let me tell you, it has whatever flavor is on the inside and then the spices on the outside. So you see, after you get around the spices,
Why
then you
everything's
actually-
spicy though?
that is what I don't get.
Mexican.
I don't think I own these, but these are like peanut brittle.
Yeah, yeah, and this is like chocolate.
Right, so this is like peanut brittle. I think. Peanut brittle. We don't need to open that one.
Chocolate. Really love this one.
Winky.
Yeah,
And
that's
wafer.
yeah. It kind of have a look.
It looks like it has been wafer, I don't know, but everyone knows. I don't like chocolate like that, so it's like, whoops. Yeah, and then that's pretty much it. And then there's. Alright, let's try this. So we have some assorted, I don't know, sweets.
Oh my god.
Really, Aaron?
Oh my god.
I saw that coming in. Monkey see. I don't know what this is.
Ooh. That is one. Let me try on it. Look like it will get a good rating.
This is a watermelon.
The last
flavor
for the
ice
day.
cream. Yes, one sandia.
The last for the day.
I love sweetie. Okay, So this is the most normal thing I've had, guys.
And this one.
Thank you for this. Yeah, and the one that tastes like the drinker cake. Most normal stuff. So this was the Mexican crate box for anyone who wants to try it. As I said, what I've realized is that Mexicans really like spices. I must taste that. With the watermelon flavor. Alright, so we didn't try this one. I just assume it's supposed to be cucumber and not pickle.
Well, you be the judge. If it tastes good, I'll taste it. Right, Riri.
All over it.
It's pickles.
I'm trying to figure out what is with spices.
It's spices. It's pickles. Or it's cucumber.
Honestly, I couldn't tell you.
It don't taste good. It's spicy.
What's all the questions? Tasted.
No man.
It
Oh
not-
Lord. Bless my soul.
It tastes like cucumber, but I'm not sure.
Bless
Because
my
of the
soul.
watermelon flavor in my mouth.
Look here. 5-second rule.
And then, of course, the spices there.
5
It tastes
second
more
rule.
like cucumber. It's like cucumber with spices.
It don't taste bad. Hold on.
Tastes like cucumber. It's cucumber, not pickles.
It really don't taste bad.
Or just the spices. I don't think the spices was
It
necessary
don't
in this.
taste bad.
I think it's the spice is just not necessary for some of these. But the good thing about this is it has vitamin C, so it's good. Cucumber. Want to taste it, mommy? Don't bite.
Yummy.
Someone.
That's Riri saying, more please.
Some.
Let me
Tastes
go
nice?
back to my watermelon. This is really good.
The watermelon nice, man. Alright guys, so thank you for joining us today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as I said, feel free to check it out. I'll put the link in the description box on where you could get these things if you like trying different things, because you know EpicTourzZ is all about fun, food, travel. So we try things from all over. So yeah guys, oh, and there was this thing too, but we're not going to open this because it's something lemon flavored again. I don't know what, but this I think is an old snack that we used to here, where you push it up and whatever. So yeah guys, so remember to subscribe, like, share, comment if you would try these snacks, if you want to try these snacks, and anything else. Anything you want to add?
Bye.
Bye guys. See you in the next post.
Bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye.
Why am I have the lollipop? Are you here? Thank you.
Are you?
No. Souvenir. So bye everyone.